Today I'm making the absolute easiest ham and pea risotto, and we're going to let the oven do all the work. There'll be none of that standing over a pan and stirring constantly. The ingredients just go into the pan in 2 stages in the oven and we're done. So let's get cooking. We've started by preheating the oven at 200C or 400F, and I've also got the casserole pan in the oven there heating up, so we've got a nice warm dish to start off with. Remove the hot dish from the oven and remove the lid. Now to that dish we're going to add 300 grams or 10.5 ounces of arborio rice, plus a tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon each of ground black pepper and garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of celery salt. We're also going to add in 150 grams, which is about a cup, of cooked ham chunks or shredded ham hock, and 700 ml or 3 cups of just boiled strong chicken stock. Then stir it all together and place the lid back on the pan. Now place that in the oven for 17 minutes. After that initial cooking time, remove from the oven and remove the lid. Then add 115 grams, which is about 2/3 of a cup of frozen peas, 50 grams, which is about half a cup of grated Parmesan, and the juice of half a lemon. Stir it all together to fully incorporate all of those lovely flavours. Then place the lid back on and place it back in the oven for about another 3 to 4 minutes until that rice is tender. Now remove from the oven and give it a stir, and then give it a little taste and a little bit more salt and pepper if it's needed. The level of saltiness depends on how salty your ham and stock is. Serve the risotto topped with extra Parmesan, a sprinkling of black pepper and some fresh parsley. There you go, this ham and pea risotto is absolutely delicious, and it's so easy to make. You don't even have to chop an onion. All done in one pan in the oven. And this recipe is available in my new book, Quick and Easy. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.